Trying to get some of this rust off. And starting to take apart the door panel. Hammered out a ding right here. I'm gonna put some filler on it. Well, somebody stole my regulator for my gun. I don't know who it could be. It's probably the freaking jackasses who work here, or the guy who owns this place. He really doesn't like me. I don't really like him. He owes us more money than you could imagine in back rent. But because he's my cousin, my father won't evict him. So anyways. Yeah, I can't shoot the door jambs because I don't have a pressure regulator for my HVLP gun. So, maybe in 2 weeks. Who knows?
We just started priming the car. Nick is working on it right now. We papered it all this morning. Real life primering action. More later.
Well, it's not a complete disaster, but somebody didn't write the instructions right on the paint. As you can see, there's a huge run right there and right there. So the first batch didn't reduce right, and it took me a while to figure out what was going on. I thought it was just the gun. So if I had reduced the first batch correctly and somebody had, given me proper instructions, I think I would have had enough to shoot the whole car today. But I ran out of epoxy. As you can see, a lot of it's sealed. I would have liked to have shot it in the booth, but the booth is full of a shell right now. See, here's another huge run. Yeah, there's a huge one. God, that's a mess. The engine bay came out all right. No major issues. I always try to shoot the engine bay first because it's pretty, it's try and dial the gun in, but the gun just wasn't acting right. So I'm not going to be using my central pneumatic gun anymore. I'm going to go use my $200 gun for a primer from now on. Yeah, see, here's another huge run. See that? It fucking just pisses me off. Created so much work that didn't need to be done. Yeah, here's another huge run. God, I'm angry right now. Yeah, but the door jambs are all done. I'm sure there's runs in here though. But at least most of it's sealed. And it'll set up over the weekend, and then I'll come back and shoot it with gray epoxy that I'll go buy new. That'll have instructions on it. And then I'll block sand the hell out of the car to get out the runs everywhere. Yeah, block sanding. Didn't get to the hood though. Shot the inside of the gas can, and looking forward to finishing. It's going to take me a little longer now that the runs happened, but I got this door jamb done as well. So oh well, it's on there now. Oh, this is Kayla. She's driving my car. She likes driving the sticks.
No, I don't.
Yeah, right. She's a liar. Hey, so what did you think of painting? You think it was pretty cool?
It was cool watching. I didn't know primer was black.
Yeah, some primers are black, some are gray.
Oh.
Yeah.
It was okay. It stinks.
Yeah, don't you wish that the primer had mixed correctly?
Yes. I wanted to see how it's supposed to look.
Yeah.
Not how it ended up crappy.
Yeah, I agree. Parking brake here.
Ah, gracias.
Don't fuck up.
Hi, your mom.
Wow, Butters is going nuts. What are you doing? I know, dude. She's driving. Be afraid. Be afraid. Yeah, compressor. Well, if you do, I'll get it on film. This is one of the reasons I can back up so well.
I can't see with this harness on. I can't turn it on. I can actually use the mirror.
Good. Let's roll.
Ew.
Yep, we're in the cuts. Yeah, there's more of the freeloaders. No, I don't know. You probably forgot it or something. It's not going anywhere.
Right, correct?
Yeah, turn right. Oh! Maniac! Fucking freeloader.